Comparison show on the major ways of growing strawberries in a small space. If you have limited space but want to grow strawberries, there are several smart methods to maximize yield. Here are the major ways to grow strawberries in small spaces. Let us carefully examine the following methods, and let's find the one that best works for us. 1. Container gardening pots and buckets. Strawberries thrive in containers as long as they have good drainage. A 10-12-inch deep pot works well. Hanging baskets, great for balconies or porches. Fruits hang down, saving space and making harvesting easier. Grow bags. Fabric grow bags allow air pruning of roots, preventing overcrowding. 2. Vertical growing strawberry towers. Stackable planters or PVC pipes with holes allow you to grow dozens of plants upward instead of outward. Wall planters. Pocket planters, wooden pallets, or wall-mounted pots save floor space and add greenery to walls. Gutter systems. Old rain gutters mounted horizontally along a fence or wall can be filled with soil and used as strawberry beds. 3. Raised beds. Compact raised beds, 2-3 feet wide, are ideal for high yields in small yards. Square-foot gardening method lets you space plants efficiently. 4. Hydroponics and aquaponics soil-free growing systems let you grow strawberries vertically or in stacked rows. Yields are higher and they require less space than traditional soil beds. 5. Companion planting. Interplant strawberries with crops like spinach, lettuce, or herbs in small beds or containers to maximize space use. Avoid planting near cabbage or other brassicas as they compete for the same nutrients. Tips for success in small spaces. Choose ever-bearing or day-neutral varieties. They produce throughout the season instead of once. Ensure containers or systems receive 6-8 hours of sunlight daily. Use light, well-draining soil or cocoa peat perlite mix for containers. Fertilize regularly, as strawberries are heavy feeders in small soil volumes. In our other new videos, we are going to take a detailed look at the processes of achieving the best results from any of the following procedures. Please subscribe if you find this interesting. Also, like and drop a comment. Thank you for watching.